Hi, I'm Ms. Bustos. I'm the English teacher here at CYDI. One of the things that sets CYDI apart from every other school that I have ever worked at, been affiliated with, is we are more than novel studies and diagramming in our English classroom. We are all about taking the skills of communication and the written word and expanding it out into our communities and growing our students as writers with their voices. In fact, we have a couple kids right now that are phenomenal writers, and I'm walking them through the process of finding book agents and finding publishers. And if they don't want to go that route of formalized publishing, how can we grow it as a business to move their writing out into the communities and where it needs to be? These are all things that we incorporate into our writing classroom here at CYDI.